Good morning, sir. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel. My name is Jenny Bulao. How may I help you?
I want to check in. Is there any available room?
Yes, sir. Let me assist you to the front desk. May I carry your luggage?
Sure, thanks.
Mhm. Sir, let me escort you to your room.
Sure.
Breakfast will be available at restaurant located at lobby level from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have a cafe and business center at lobby level. Our meeting rooms are located on the second floor. The swimming pool, spa, and fitness center are on the fifth floor. Let us know if you need a reservation for our hotel facilities.
Thank you for your information.
We are in front of your room, sir. May I have your key for me to open the door?
Sure, thanks.
Opposite, sir.
Sir, allow me to explain the room facilities.
You have a safety deposit box inside the wardrobe. We also have a minibar. If you consume drinks, snacks, don't forget to fill the minibar. This is the remote control for your television channels. You have a view of the city, and this is the bedside lamp. Telephone to make an outgoing call. Press 0 for operation assistant. 1 for housekeeping. 2 for laundry. 3 for room service. Air conditioner. And lastly, this is your bathroom. Tap the button. Red button for hot water and blue button for cold water.
All right. I will ask again if I forget.
It's my pleasure, sir.